Tarot with Tabassum, and this is a reading for Taurus, for the zodiac sign Taurus for the month of July 2020. Before I start, I want to give a disclaimer that this is a very general reading for you guys, Taurus, and if it resonates with you, please take it, otherwise just leave it. It's because it's a general reading, as I said earlier. Before we start with the reading for July 2020 Taurians, I would like to give you some information on what is the planetary things, the shifts happening for the month of July, which are main ones, are around 5 of them, events which are happening. One is that lunar eclipse, the last of the lunar eclipse, which is full moon in Capricorn, which is going to be happening on 5th of July, and it's a very, very major event. It talks about blockages and illusions, so it is major effect on people, and it is already started. It's already started, and you would start feeling the lunar energies now from this time. If you're more sensitive, you would feel more. So it is going to affect you, leading to more less of clarity, and also, of course, it depends upon which house it's affecting you. For Taurians, you don't have to worry, because it's more of a it's going to affect. There's not a major shift for you guys, at least. There is nothing major for you in this. The second thing which is happening is Aries. Mars is entering Aries, has already entered Aries, and this is a very strong, which is a very powerful energy, which is a direct energy, a fire sign. And third one is that the Mercury is going direct on 13th of July, which is very good. The communication is going to become more important, more easier for people. And fourth is the Venus is squaring Neptune in the last 2 weeks, which again I'll tell you what would be effect on you. And the fifth is the Saturn entering Capricorn, re-entering Capricorn. So let's see, Taurian. This is, please angels help me with the reading for month of July 2020 for Taurians. Please help me, angels, with the reading for Taurians for the month of 2020. Please help me and give clarity to me for Taurians for the month of 2020, July 2020. Reading for Taurians for the month of July 2020. Okay, so first card is Knight of Swords. Whoa. And as I said, it is very, very mental, very, very intellectual card. It is something which is like you're just kind of sweeping with it. You'll be sweeping with mental energy. And then you have Two of Pentacles, and you also have Ace of Pentacles. So Taurians, I think that as I said, that there is a lot of you are worried about your finances this time right now. There is a lot of finances, but there you can see there's a lot of things coming up for you in finances and the work front. Mentally, it is going to be very it's going to be very good, but then you have to understand that you have to first let go of control. You can't control. And also, but very important, Taurians, which I feel is that because you are generally, this is a very conventional sign, and you are very orthodox, and you have a way of thinking, so maybe you should be able to let go of, because if it's Knight of Swords, you are basically cutting through what is not working with you anymore. So you have to maybe change the way you think, change the way you look at problems and solving them, or how you communicate. Maybe it needs a kind of a revival and a change and a revision on that. So let's see that. Then again we have this. Then we have Three of Pentacles, and then we have Eight of Wands, and we have Six of Wands. So we can see that there's lots and lots of energy. We have Pentacles and energy, fire energy here, and it is basically that if you want to work with people, you want to create something, you have to think differently. There is a lot of energy which is kind of lot of impetus coming towards the work, and you would be successful. You would have new projects coming up. The only thing is that you please make sure that you sign them after 13th of July, which is when the Mercury goes direct. And there's also a possibility that you may have to balance, you have to have a work balance kind of a situation where you need to really rest also, because I see a lot of restless energy around you. There's a lot of worn energy, there's a lot of restless energy, and it's almost because I think because of the Mars going directly into Aries, there's a lot of restless energy which you need to encounter and see how you work it out. Then there is a Judgment card, and then there is a Page of Swords, and then there is okay. So basically, whatever you would, it's about your, it's about. I would say that it is about, getting properly whatever you deserve. You will definitely get it in this time. And also there is a lot of there is you would have a lot of thinking, reflection in your mind. It will be very nostalgic also. Sometimes you may be looking at the past. You maybe it is important for you, and maybe it is essential that you understand that what is happening around you, in your mind. The energies are all over right now for you, Taurians. So I would say that you need to there's also travel, so but short-term travel, but please make sure that you do, again, as I said, once Mercury goes direct, then you can do that. You need to, this lunar eclipse will definitely make you leave a lot of things. It would leave, you have to reorganize yourself and do things differently. And there is a nostalgia, there is somebody, it's a very sweet feeling which you are getting from the past, and I want to see more about this. So it is a message coming for, is a Knight of Cups, which is basically, it's about, it's about some message coming towards you with love. And so travel with love, be with love. Don't, I would say that don't operate, whatever you do in the month of July, don't do it based out of fear. Do with, and don't be anxious, because I see a lot of anxious energies and a lot of energy, restless energy, as I said earlier. So I would say that you please put yourself in the place of love rather than fear, and operate from there. And I can, there would be short travels. Again, I'm again reiterating, there will be short travels. You can sign contracts, but do it after 13th of July, and you would get what you have to. You would be judged fairly, so you don't worry about it. Maybe right now you are looking at some aspects where you are partnering with people and you're working with them and creating something new. So I would say that the last 2 weeks, just be very careful that you kind of see who you're working with. Don't trust very easily. Go take it easy. The month of July, just take it a little easy. But you can. But I see that you would have success. You would have the energy taking you towards success. It's just that you need to kind of reorganize, let go of things, and not control what is not which is not in your favor, and which you can't control, because there are a lot of things which this lunar eclipse will show us. It will tell us to let go. It will tell us to surrender. So you need to surrender, and you need to just kind of let go. You need to break through the orthodox or the conventional things which you have been doing till now. Maybe you need a new way to look, new perspective to look at things around you, and it will help you to have more success, and do it out of love. Do it with full of love. Do it calmly and with balanced energies. Don't kind of just barge into it without thinking. Or even though, Taurians, you don't do that, but because there is so much of energy available with Mars going into Aries, that you may become restless. You may not like to have that patience which you generally have. A lot of patience you have, but sometimes you be just kind of get a little impatient with things. But then you don't do that. Just give it time, let it sort it out itself. And I see new path coming up for you, for a new project coming up, new signing ups happening, little short travels happening. So you don't have to worry about all that. Just that you be careful about this lunar eclipse, and also the energy which is very, very high, intense. And also I would say the last 2 weeks, just be careful about who you befriend, who you're friends with, who you kind of partner with. Just be very careful. I'm not saying that you start doubting people, but then you just need to observe and just see, and take time to trust people. And also then because Mercury is going direct after 13 July, so that would be good time. And remember that whatever you're doing, whatever projects you're doing is going to take little time. It's not going to be very fast. As I said, Saturn is going into Capricorn, so you would see results coming in maybe mid-September or October, and then that is the time you will see things really shaping up. And as I said, Mars in Aries again is going backward and forward, so there would be direct and retrograde energies. So yes, there would be a lot of things happening, a lot of activities. Interesting month, Taurian. So all the best for you. Thank you very much.